we're going to explore using Python operators. There's a lot of different operators, and I'm going to show you a sample of them. Not everything all-inclusive, but a sample. So we're going to start with basic math. This is showing you how to do addition, subtraction, and we're using just plain literals here, not variables. We could of course use variables if we chose. That's multiplication. And this is an interesting one. We'll do 10 divided by 3. And I could make this a lot more user-friendly if I had more print statements on what I'm doing. Actually, that'll do. And this is an interesting one. This is modulus. I think I spelled that correctly, but I'm not sure if I installed spell check on this one. That's what I thought. I am dyslexic and I honestly simply can't tell if things are spelled correctly or not. That must be correct. Okay, so that gives us the remainder. And I should probably do something like this. And remember that comma means I'm passing two things. So I'm passing a string and it'll give me the result of the addition. 5 plus 5, it'll give me 10. The comma will also put a space between them. Modulus gives us a remainder. So that's 10 to the second power. So let's just test those to begin with. Addition, subtraction, division, modulus, which is your remainder 2, exponent 10 times 10 is 100. Then we also have our logical operators. And again, I could make this more user-friendly by spelling out what it was going to do. But you can see this is going to give us booleans: true, false, true. So 10 greater than 2, true. 10 equal to true, 2, false. 10 less than 2, false. 10 not equal to 2, true. So those are your logical operators. And so that's basically how operators work. The only real big change that you see here is your modulus. So there's another type of division I want to add into it. This is called floor division. Basically, it just rounds down. I think I've got that right. We'll see. If it's rounding down, we should get 9. I'm sorry, floor division is 3, yeah, because 3 goes into 10 3 times, which would be 9, which is what I was thinking with the remainder of where we got the 0.33. This is just cutting it off so it rounds down. So if you use the double slash, it will round down. And those are the ones you want to be familiar with at this point.